morning. It's a new week. Come with me. Let's go. Hi guys. So I'm here in the mall. I'm going back. To make a course to return a bag I ordered from them online. So I ordered this bag. See how small it is. I'm going to return it. It's so small. I bought it online. Look at the picture when I ordered it and look at what I got. So I have to return it. Let's go, guys. Me and I. Joy. Oh my God. You did not remember anything.
No. I remember.
What did you remember?
It was in the corner, but
You said it was down. We went down, clean up again.
No, it wasn't.
Look at the shop right there.
Yeah, here.
See? Hello. Good morning.
A few moments later.
Hey guys, so I had to remove the sound here because we were walking on the road and the noise were so much. So Ali and I went to the mall and I returned the bag. So we are heading back to our school. So my second program, I did it in Fanshawe, Toronto, and here is the Toronto City, or they call it Toronto. So here is Toronto City. So guys, I will look for some of the videos I made in Toronto City and post them. I have some of them in the system. It's just to find them. So I didn't video much on this day because we were just strolling down back to school after going to the mall because he said he knows where the store is, so he escorted me and we are done. So we bought coffee and we head back to class. Yay.